Have you ever made a decision that felt rushed, only to regret it later? I know I have. This happens to the most experienced leaders. And today, I want to share 3 essential steps, maybe even 4, that CEOs like you and me should never skip. Hello CEOs and business leaders, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Francois Lupien, the CEO Secret Weapon. These steps can transform the way that you lead and ensure your choices consistently align with your vision, and that is liberating, believe me. See, as CEOs, we often face pressure to make quick decisions and accurate ones. Yet the smartest leaders know that slowing down and following a clear process leads to better outcome. And here are some steps you should seriously consider as well. Number 1, define the objective clearly. Before diving into any decision, ask yourself, what's the end goal here? Begin with the end in mind is what Covey advice would actually tell us. Because clarity at this stage helps you to prioritize tasks and move you closer to the vision that you held and identify, and also helps you to ignore distractions. Number 2, gather diverse perspective. See, as a leader, it's easy to think that you need all the answers from nobody else because you have them all. Some of the best solutions come from actually asking your team for input. Involving them not only gives you fresh insights, but also increases their commitment to implementing the decisions that you have made together. Number 3, as a side note, outside organization's perspective helps identify and deal with blind spots, and those can actually be costly if they're not dealt with. Number 4, finally, evaluate short and long-term impact. You see, a smart decision considers both immediate results and long-term consequences. Ask yourself, how will this choice affect my goals, my team, and my company in 6 months and even in a year? Let me share you a quick story. I once worked with a CEO who struggled with whether to enter a new market or not. Their instinct was to jump in quickly, yet we slowed down and followed these steps. They clarified their objective to grow sustainably without overextending resources. Then they asked their leadership team for insights, uncovering potential challenges they haven't considered, and they found many. And finally, we evaluated both short and long-term impacts, which led to a phased approach rather than an all-in in one shot. The result? A successful expansion with minimal risk. As we all know, decisions are the building blocks of your leadership and the results that you get. Revise and take the time to review these steps and take the time to apply them, and involve your team in the process and be amazed at the traction you get from them. If, however, a push or a nudge could help you and you're ready to make your decisions making process and lead with more confidence and clarity, let's connect. I'm Francois Lupien, the Executive Whisperer, the secret weapon for CEOs, and I promise progress. At the end of the day, the smartest decision comes from clarity, collaboration, and careful consideration. So consider these steps and you'll lead with confidence every time. See you next time.